Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Simple in Short. In today's video, I'll share some tips on how to save money and budget effectively. Whether trying to pay off debt or save up for a big purchase, managing your money wisely is essential. And we'll show you how to do just that. Tip 1. Track your expenses. The first step to saving money and budgeting effectively is to track your expenses. You need to know how much money is coming in and going out every month. Start by creating a spreadsheet or using a budgeting app to track expenses. Tip 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. The next step is to cut unnecessary expenses. This could be anything from dining out to shopping for things you don't need. Find ways to reduce these expenses and redirect that money toward your savings or debt payments. Tip 3. Use coupons and discount codes. Another great way to save money is by using coupons and discount codes. These can be found online or in your local newspaper. You can also use cashback apps and websites to earn money back on your purchases. Tip 4. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals is crucial to saving money and budgeting effectively. Decide on a specific amount you want to save or a specific debt you want to pay off and work towards that goal every month. This will help you stay motivated and focused. Tip 5. Automate your savings. Automating your savings is a great way to ensure you save money every month. Set up a direct deposit into your savings account or use an app that automatically transfers money into your savings. Saving money and budgeting effectively is not always easy, but it is essential for financial stability. You can take control of your finances and achieve your goals by tracking your expenses, cutting unnecessary expenses, using coupons and discount codes, setting financial goals, and automating your savings. So, start implementing these tips today and see the difference they can make in your financial life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.